Let me get my camera out.
This is like my freaking nightmare.
I feel like I'm in hell.
Is this what hell is? Just birds everywhere landing on you. That's what hell is.
Oh, I hear
You are disgusting. You're not pretty.
I really hate it.
There's nothing that I hate more than birds. I hate them so much. I would rather do anything than be near a bird. I don't want it. I hate it so much. Okay, this doesn't bother me. Peacocks don't bother me because they're pretty. This, on the other hand, not pretty. Kaylin does not want this bird anymore. Bye. Bye. There is a... Oh. If a bird flies on my head, I'm going to kill myself. It's gonna happen. Honestly, there's peacock and I don't mind them because they're pretty. You are a pretty bird too. Look at
Me and my best friend. We're just having a really great time. Don't touch me.
I'm scared.
Need to come back.
She hates it so much. So much.
Me and my best friend. The peacock. So I did.
We're best. Oh, him too. Him too. We're best friends.
Oh, this is my other really good friend, the bird with the really long teeth, Mr. Berman. We're really good friends. Come back.
He's running away. He's running away. Oh my God. Look at this bird. It's running away from Amanda. Caitlin has a bird on her head. That would never happen.
So they do sleep all throughout the day, and then they'll be active during the night.
Yeah, literally like
She's called a Pikachu.
We saw so many of them in Costa Rica.
She is. She has about a 4-inch long tongue, and then she'll put her little paw up to her mouth.
I'm doing that right now.
It's just the way that she sleeps. She's awake.
They said after
But not the armadillo.
After what?
We are at the Shamu show. She's mad. It's hot.
Hey.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch Shamu now. Oh, we are in the splash zone, the soak zone, so we're probably gonna get wet. But that's okay because it's so hot. So we just, the Shamu show just ended. We don't know which one was Shamu. They were all whales, and
I don't know which one was Shamu.
Hi, Hayden.
hi, Aiden.
She doesn't know which one was Shamu.
We
Pretty pissed. So we had a situation.
Did you know which one was Shamu?
There's like 5,000 Shamu.
Which one was Shamu? There were like 10 whales, but they didn't tell us which one Shamu was.
We just stand up.
Okay.
Where's Twisted Sister?
You know the
Twisted.
It's on the left. I've been telling her for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, me too. But Danielle thinks it's on that side, but I think it's on this side.
It's on that side.
Go get it now so we don't have to sit traveling with it.
Ask Siri, Dad.
I think Andy.
Sherry, where's Twisted Sister?
I'm telling you, it's on this side.
Oh, it's hot.
Is the resort on this side?
No.
No.
Oh, then it is on that side.
I told you. We have to get in the left
She's so dumb.
Resorts on the left?
What's next?
No, the resort's on the right.
I don't understand.
So
How is it?
I like it a lot better than I like you. Progress.
Where are we, guys? The bar. Oh wait, Danielle, where are we? Big Kahuna. They have dueling pianos right now. You don't want anything? I'm excited about it. And we just got strawberry daiquiri. Juice tonic engine.
It's not true. It's Jack Daniels. He said, son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes.
But it's sad, it's sweet,
and I knew it complete. When I used to hear him play it at Savannah Smile. Everybody sing the chorus.
Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight, 'cause we're all in the mood for a melody. Oh,
It's feeling
alright. I can't scream.
a pretty good crowd for a Thursday. Almost. Pretty much. It was like over here on the left channel. Over here on the right channel.
Don't stop believing.
We requested Don't Stop Believing and they didn't play it.
Thursday.
Tried, Danielle.